between Canada and the Philippines. What will it do? It will sell out our natural resources in the Philippines. Resources that will be used on military technology to kill people abroad. Shame on you, Marcos, for signing these agreements that weaken our Philippine economy and make us even more subservient to Canada and other nations of the global north. Shame on you, Marcos Jr. Philippine, sell out. Shame on you. Shame on your violence against the Filipino people at home and abroad. There were migrant workers here who were scammed by the Promised Land Consultancy. Their life savings lost to these scams. And when they came to you, what did you do? You did nothing. Some of these migrant workers had to self-deport because you did nothing to protect them. Shame on you, Marcos Jr., king of corruption. Shame on you, selling out the Philippines to Canada and the U.S. and Australia and Japan, signing these military agreements like the status of visiting forces that puts Canadian troops in the Philippines. These Canadian troops that cause violence.
Malakas ang ulan dito sa Vancouver. And mga kasama, lumabas na si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ng Jollibee store. Kasabay nito nagsilabasan yung mga nagkikilos protesta dito sa Vancouver, Canada. Kasabay rin ang kilos protesta nila at na-event ni Pangulong Marcos, malakas ang ulan dito sa Vancouver. Ang ginigit naman nagkikilos protesta, hindi raw welcome si Pangulong Marcos dito sa Vancouver, Canada. At pinapanawagan nila na mabigyan ng hustisya yung nangyayaring korupsyon sa Pilipinas. Ayan, hanggang dito sa paglalakad ni Pangulong Marcos, sinusundan siya ng mga nagkikilos protesta. So, ayan, hinarangan na ng mga